Hey there guys, Jim Hart here today, and I am here today to talk to you about something that I've been seeing on Facebook and in some of the listservs online, and some people have been asking me personally about these questions, and I've referenced this in some of the podcasts recently, but it's something I really want to talk to you about, and that's who should you target when you're just starting out your law firm. And this is probably one of the most important things that you really need to grasp if you're starting your own law firm. Because it's something that so many attorneys just swing and miss on, and they miss huge opportunities when they forget to do this one thing. And that one thing is you need to pick one single specific target market for your law firm. And when I say that, I mean, I don't mean put a tombstone ad out there. If you don't know what a tombstone ad is, it's basically an ad that puts your your law firm in big bold letters and puts a picture of you and your contact information and all the different practice areas that you practice in. No, I'm talking about, you don't want to do that. You want to be specific. You want to pick one niche in one practice area, and that's all you want to do when you start your law firm. And a lot of attorneys are scared of that. They're wondering, if I do that, I'm going to be giving up business in other areas. And to be honest, you might be giving up business in other areas, but that's not the point. The point is that if you try and be everything to all people, you're going to be no one to no one. So you need to pick. Does that even make sense? But so the point is, you want to pick one practice area. So if you're going to do criminal law, that's fine, but don't do every single crime under the sun. You don't want to do misdemeanors and felonies and white collar crime and everything else. Maybe eventually you're going to do all those practice areas, but when you start out, pick something that you can really, find a target market on, and perhaps that's professionals that get DUIs. Professionals like lawyers like us, if you got a DUI, your bar license is at risk. If you're a doctor and you get a DUI, your license to practice medicine could be at risk. And so these are very, serious charges for somebody that's in a business like we are in. That would be an excellent niche to start out with. Target those professionals that might have gotten a DUI. If you do immigration law, maybe you want to target, entertainers or some other type of, individual that has a special, an artist or an entertainer or somebody like that that's in a specific niche that you can really target them. You don't want to necessarily start out doing everything related to immigration law. So that's my tip for today. If you're going to do something, if you're just starting out your law practice and you're trying to figure out what are you going to do, don't go broad, go narrow, pick one niche, pick one sub-niche within that practice area and hit that hard. And that's my tip for today. So go to it, keep marketing, and see you next time.